Hello, my name is Ayada from London.
I'm not to John by name.
My name is Simeon Albu. My name is Uzodima Barrow.
My name is Elizabeth.
We're a facility management consultancy and training firm.
One of our services in Max-Migold Limited is to train people to be certified facility manager.
At Max-Migold Limited, we help organizations who are in need of professional facility managers to get this job. We help them find these people and place them on this job.
We deploy the latest technology like barcoding and radio frequency identification for your assets.
And at Max-Migold, we employ the best trainers.
We assist firms deploy facility management software such as computer-aided facility management, design, and computer management and maintenance system.
And we have short courses in which you can subscribe to. We also have our master camp training which you can also do for 9 months. Wow!
Refer innovations, refer construction, and media outsourcing, projects streamline.
Our software are tailored in such a way to suit the uniqueness of each organization or building.
I think it's because of medical consultants who have experience in facility management industry. They connect our clients with the best qualified candidates available in the market.
Our certificate is certified and you can use it in Nigeria as a certified facility manager.
We offer a range of tools to suit the needs of organizations through providing valuable information about their facilities' performance and in the long term, help them justify budgets, reduce operating costs, negotiate successfully with vendors, and improve work processes.
We connect professional individuals to employers, guiding them through each steps of their careers, interview preparation, salary benchmarking, and many more.
This helps organizations and building owners reduce costs on strategic planning and management, operations and maintenance, and enable staff to work more effectively.
Like in our stores, security store, prevent asset damage and install. Save it for the facilities fire. Do all the extra noise.
So when you give us a call today, we'll help you find out the perfect person to do your job in your organization.
Think facility management, call Max-Migold Limited.